In this video I will show how to do addition of two matrices. Again, in the case where to do addition of the two matrices, the matrix must be equal, and the matrix which we are going to consider is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So we will add two 3 cross 3 matrices that are equal. So if the A matrix is given by 3 minus 1 6 and 0 2 5 and 4 2 minus 4, and the B matrix is given by 0 minus 5 minus 3 minus 5 2 4 and minus 3 4 and 0. So these are the two matrices, which is A matrix and which is B matrix. So the first matrix is a M cross N matrix, which is a 3 cross 3, or you can say it R cross C, which is 3 cross 3. And again, for this R cross C is the number of rows and columns both are 3. So since both are 3 cross 3 matrix, it is possible to add them, and the A plus B matrix, which you can call is equal to a C matrix, will be equal to the addition of each of the terms. So this is A11, this is A12, this is A13, and this is A21, this is A22, and this is A23, this is A31, A32, and A33, while this is B11, B12, B13, this is B22, this is B23, this is B21, 22, and 23, while this is B31, B32, and B33. So the first term, whatever here it will come, will be A11 plus B11, and this will be A12 plus B12, and this will be A13 plus B13, and in the same way for the other also. So if you're adding this, what you will get is 3, and here there will be minus 5, and here there will be 1. On adding this, you will get minus 6 here, again you will get 4 here and 6 here, and this will become 3, while this will become 9, and this will become minus 4. So this is how to add two matrices, and this is a third matrix which you have got.